Hello, Hi Wonder. Can you check the safety aisle and send me a photo?
On it. Navigating to the inspection point now. Arrived at the inspection point. Taking a photo and sending it now. Photo sent to Telegram. Reviewing the scene now. Safety aisle inspection complete. The photo has been sent to Telegram. The safety aisle is blocked. One obstacle needs to be cleared. Would you like me to remove it now?
Go ahead and clear it.
Starting obstacle removal. Obstacle removal task fully completed. The box has been moved to the drop-off point, and the aisle should now be clear. Want me to go back and take another photo to confirm?
No need. Go to the workbench in Area A and deliver the red blocks to the office.
Got it. Heading to Area A now. Arrived in Area A, checking the workbench. No red blocks were found on the workbench in Area A. Only the green and blue blocks are present. Would you like me to check Area B?
Check Area B and take a look at the temperature and humidity while you are there.
Arrived in Area BC, heading the workbench now. Current readings. Temperature 74.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity 52%. Red blocks were found in Area B. Would you like me to pick them up and deliver them to the office now?
Yes, take them to the office.
Picking up the red blocks now. Pickup complete. Heading to the office now. Arrived back at the office. The red blocks have been delivered. Anything else?
Next time, which area should be checked first for red blocks?
Based on this task, no red blocks were found in Area A, while 2 were found in Area B. Next time, Area B should be checked first for red blocks. Saved to Vector Database Memory.